Have you ever wished for peaceful, uninterrupted nights without constant interruptions to go to the bathroom? Imagine improving your quality of life by dedicating just a few minutes each day to exercises that support your prostate health. Prostate enlargement or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common issue for men as they age. But the good news is that simple and effective exercises can help reduce their symptoms. In this video, we'll explore 6 of the best exercises to reduce prostate enlargement. These movements target the pelvic floor, improve blood flow, and strengthen muscles essential for urinary and prostate function. Let's dive into these life-changing exercises. By dedicating just a few minutes daily to targeted exercises, you can promote better prostate health, reduce discomfort, and enhance your overall well-being. Stay with me for the next few minutes and don't miss these 6 powerful exercises that can make a big difference in your prostate health. If you're ready to take charge of your health, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with more tips like these. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a powerful exercise for prostate health, working large muscle groups and improving stability and posture. Proper posture reduces pressure on the prostate and bladder. Squats also stimulate testosterone production, helping balance hormones and enhance pelvic circulation, reducing inflammation. Benefits of squats: improves stability and posture, reducing pressure on the prostate and bladder. Regulates hormones including testosterone, which supports prostate health. Enhances blood circulation to the pelvic region, reducing inflammation. How to perform: stand with feet shoulder-width apart, arms extended in front for balance. Bend your knees and push your hips back, as if sitting in an imaginary chair, until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Ensure your knees don't go past your toes and keep your torso upright. Press through your heels to rise back up, activating your glutes and core. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions per set and repeat 3 times. Exercise 2. Kegel exercises. Kegels are incredibly effective for strengthening pelvic floor muscles, which support bladder control and urinary function. They can alleviate symptoms like incomplete bladder emptying and frequent nighttime urination. Benefits of Kegel exercise: strengthens pelvic floor muscles, improving urinary control and reducing dribbling after urination. Supports prostate health and enhances sexual function by improving blood flow to the pelvic region. How to perform: contract the muscles you would use to stop the flow of urine. Hold the contraction for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 20 times per session, 3 times a day. Practice discreetly while sitting, standing, or lying down. Exercise 3. Pelvic lift. The pelvic lift is one of the best exercises to improve prostate health. Besides strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, this movement helps tone the glutes, hips, and core. A strong pelvic floor provides greater control over the bladder, reducing urgency and improving emptying. The secret of the pelvic lift lies in increasing blood circulation in the pelvic region, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the prostate, promoting its health, and reducing inflammation. Enhanced circulation can also alleviate the pressure the enlarged prostate exerts on the urethra, facilitating the urinary flow and relieving discomfort. Benefits of pelvic lift: increases blood circulation in the pelvic region, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the prostate. Helps reduce inflammation, alleviate pressure on the urethra, and improve urinary flow. Contributes to flexibility, posture, and overall well-being. How to perform: lie on your back on a flat surface, e.g., a yoga mat. Bend your knees with feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, and arms extended beside your body, palms facing down. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold the position for a few seconds, contracting your glutes and core, then lower slowly. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions per set and repeat 3 times. Exercise 4. Lunges. Lunges are excellent for strengthening the legs and supporting prostate health by activating pelvic floor muscles. These muscles help manage symptoms like frequent urination and improve overall urinary function. Lunges also boost body stability, balance, and hormone regulation, reducing estrogen levels and increasing testosterone. This hormonal balance supports prostate health. How to perform. Benefits of lunges. Strengthens the pelvic floor to alleviate symptoms like frequent urination. Improves stability, balance, and hormone regulation. Enhances blood flow to the pelvic region, reducing inflammation and supporting prostate health. How to perform. Stand upright with feet hip-width apart. Take a large step forward with one leg, bending both knees until the front knee forms a 90-degree angle without surpassing your toes. Push off with the front foot to return to the starting position. Alternate sides, performing 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. Exercise 5. Yoga and Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are excellent practices for improving prostate health. These exercises focus on strengthening the core, improving flexibility, and promoting relaxation, all of which contribute to better prostate function. Benefits of yoga and Pilates. Stress reduction. Both practices help reduce stress, which can negatively impact prostate health. Stress management is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Enhanced blood flow. Yoga poses and Pilates movements improve circulation in the pelvic region, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the prostate. Strengthened pelvic floor. Many poses and exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, supporting urinary function and reducing symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Examples of poses and exercises include cobbler's pose, Baddha Konasana, stretches the hips and increases pelvic circulation. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, strengthens the lower back and pelvic muscles. Pilates exercises like pelvic curls and leg circles are also effective. Incorporating these practices into your routine not only supports prostate health, but also enhances flexibility, posture, and mental clarity. Exercise 6. Aerobic activities. Aerobic exercises such as running, walking, swimming, and cycling are highly beneficial for prostate health. These activities are simple to incorporate into daily life and offer numerous advantages. Benefits of aerobic activities. Weight management. Reducing excess weight, especially around the abdomen, can alleviate pressure on the prostate and urinary system. Improve circulation. Aerobic activities boost blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen to the prostate and helping reduce inflammation. Hormonal balance. Regular aerobic exercise helps maintain healthy testosterone levels, reducing the risk of prostate enlargement. Stress reduction. Activities like walking or cycling improve mood and reduce stress, which is important for prostate health. How to incorporate aerobic activities into your day. Take brisk walks or cycle around your neighborhood. Opt for stairs instead of elevators. Swim or jog during your free time. Cycle during weekends or commute by bike. Regular aerobic activity helps manage weight, enhance circulation, and promote overall health. By practicing these 6 exercises regularly, you can significantly reduce the symptoms of prostate enlargement and improve your quality of life. Whether it's strengthening your pelvic floor with Kegels, enhancing blood flow with yoga, or boosting overall fitness with aerobic activities, each movement is a step toward better health. Start today and take control of your prostate health naturally and effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos on the screen now for even more ways to take your fitness journey to the next.